Hi, my name is Janice de Belen Costuna. I started my CPA journey in Dubai through iGEM in 2014. At that time, it was my first time at taking the CPA exam. I never had a chance to have the review and take it in the Philippines before. And so iGEM has given me an opportunity to really push for my dreams and my goals of becoming a CPA. In the beginning, of course, it was never easy because it's my first time, and hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko and how to really prepare myself for the exam. Tinulungan ako ng iGEM, hindi lang dun sa pag-prepare mentally. Malaking bagay sa akin yung tulong ng iGEM na tinuruan ako mag-organize and mag-strategize ng time ko at ng pagre-review para maging mas efficient papunta at pag-prepare sa exam. Through iGEM, after passing the exam, it opened a lot of opportunities for me. Specifically, also firstly, for myself personally, it helped me boost my confidence that I can achieve more and I'm capable to prove myself in achieving my goals. And secondly, of course, it opened a lot of opportunities career-wise and becoming more financially stable here in the Middle East. Sa ngayon, life has been better, the family is bigger, financial status is much better, and I was able to find a very good and supportive multinational company that I've recently joined in. Nagpapasalamat ako sa iGEM because ang laki ng support na ibinigay nila sa akin throughout my CPA journey, and until now, malaking bagay pa rin yung, you know, that there would be some group that you can, reach out to whenever you need some consultations or you need some advices. Thank you.